Guys, I'm so bored. We have nothing to do.
Does anybody know what to do? I've never been this bored in my life.
Yeah. Oh, we could. No, we've done that before.
Hi guys! Just to let you know, I'm gonna be in Hawaii for summer. Make sure you do good. Bye everyone.
What are those?
I don't know, Patrick, but those boxes are making me very suspicious. Should we open those?
It doesn't say not to open. I guess. Let me see. Okay, so there's nothing on the top, which is good. So, anything on this side? Nope, we're good. Anything on the other side? We're good on this side. Now, what about the underside? I'm just trying to get my hand. Yeah. Nope, nothing here too. Good. It's all clear, gang. It's all clear.
But what about this box?
Oh yeah, thank you, SpongeBob, for reminding me. Okay, there's nothing on the top. What about on this side? We're good on this side. Yep, this side is good. Now if I can get the underside. Here. This one doesn't say not to open either, so we're clear too, gang.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's open those boxes. Oh my. What is this? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing?